Russian cars. Then versus now. Go. Number 1 we have Moskvich 412 or Moskvich 2140. New Moskvich is called Moskvich 8. This is what it looks like. No comment. Number 2, Lada Vaz 2107. Iconic car. Now we have Lada Azimut. This is what it looks like. Looks like a fucking Kia. Number 3, Niva. Classic. Niva 2121 used to look like this. Now we have Niva Sport or Niva Travel. And this is what it looks like. Still crisp. Number 4, we have UAZ 469. New UAZ is called UAZ Patriot. Looks like a Toyota. I hate. And number 5 is Volga. Gas 24. New Volga looks like this. Still better than Mercedes.